We are going to study 4th standard Maths, 4th standard ICSE Maths. Okay, this is a topic that is followed all over in India based upon the syllabus from the ICSE sites itself. So, the first topic in 4th standard ICSE is numbers. First topic, numbers. Up to 3rd standard, we have studied about 4-digit numbers. Here, you are going to study about 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. In 5-digit numbers, you have 5 places are there. So, the first place is 1, then tens, hundreds, thousand, and then 10,000. Okay, so you have 5 digits are there or 5 places are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 5-digit number it is denoted as 10,000. Okay, so whenever a number is written, you will be writing it as 10,000, 10,001, 10,002. And if it is 20, you will be calling it as 20,001, 20,002, 20,003. Like that it will be going. Next, 6-digit number. In 6-digit number, we have 6 places are there. So, the first one is 1. Then you have tens. Then hundreds. Thousand, then 10,000, then you have 100,000, or it is called as lakh. Spelling is L-A-K-H-S, lakhs. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 places are there, or 6 digits will be there in 6-digit numbers. So that is denoted as lakhs. Okay, so here a number is called as lakh. So the representation will be like this one, that is period, places. So you have ones place, then you have thousand. Okay, so in ones place you will have ones are there, then tens, then 100. In the first period. Then in the thousand period you have thousand, then 10,000, then you have 100,000. Okay, so in 6-digit number you will be dealing with this much thing only. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, 10,000 place, then 100,000. Then 100,000 is called as lakh. So this is called as lakh. Lakhs. The smallest 5-digit number. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number. The answer is 10,000. You have 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 followed by 5 0 is normally called as 1 lakh. Okay. So this is the smallest 6-digit number, and smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. And the smallest 6-digit number is 100,000 or 1 lakh. Now, biggest 5-digit number. Okay, whenever you have a biggest one, 9 should be coming. So, the biggest 5-digit number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 99,999. 99,999. Then biggest 6-digit number is 6 9 should be there. 9 9 9 9 9 9. 9,99,999. Okay, that is the biggest 6-digit number. Okay, next question. Write the number names. Write number names. Okay. In this, the expanded form will be given, and you have to write the digit value. So that is normally called as number names. First question: 1,75,000. 1,75,400 and 28 and 28. Okay, this will be written as, so 1,75,428. So total 6 digits should be there. So this is written as 1 lakh, then 75,000, then 428. So this is how the digit will be written. So next question you can try by yourself. 2,75,000 72,000, 2,72,000, 600, 604, for 2,72,604. So 6 digits should be there. So it will be written as 2,72,604. So 0 will be there, then 4. So this is the number name. Next one you can try by yourself. 5,55,000 900 and 98. Okay, write the value by yourself. That is 5,55,998. Okay, have you written? 5,55,998. A total of 6 digits should be coming over here. Okay. Okay, next the digits will be there. That should be converted into its corresponding expanded form. Okay, that is write the number name. The first question, 6,45,232. It will be written like given like this one, 645,232. So you should expand this and write. That is 6,45,000 200 and 32. So 6,45,232. Second one, 5,23,605. So you can write this one by expanded form by yourself. So third question, 7,52,778. So this will be 7,52,778. So this is the number name and naming numbers. Now we have the next topic, place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place value is the digit and the place together. Place value means it is the digit, and place together. It is the digit and place together. Face value means it is that digit itself. Face value means that value. the digit itself. So place value and face value. So first question, write the place value and face value. Write the place value and face value. Question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So place value means place value. This is the ones place. So 9 ones or 9. Second place 8 tens or 80. Third place 700 or 700. Then 6,000 or 6, 1, 2, 3. Then 5, 10,000. That is 50,000. 50,000. Okay, 5 into 10,000 is 50,000. Or 50, 1, 2, 3. Then you have 400,000. 400,000. That is normally called as lakh place. Okay, that is all 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how it is written. So face value. Face value means the digit itself. Face value is the number itself. Face value means here 9, here 8, here 7, then 6, then 5, then you have 4. So this is normally called as place value or face value. Place value or face value. Okay, next question. Try by yourself. The question is this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So based upon this one, you can change the following. Okay, that is 6 digits are there. That is first one is 6 ones or 6, 5 tens or 50, 400 or 400, 400, then 3,000, 20,000 and 100,000. So that is lakh. Okay, but write that particular question by yourself itself. So this is place value and face value. Next, write expanded form in 2 ways. First one, 6,17,923. This will be written as 6 lakh plus 1 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 210 plus 3 ones. So write the expanded form in 2 ways. Okay, this digit will be given. So 6 lakh 1 into 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 210 plus 3 ones. So this can be written as 6 lakh means 6 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 into 10,000, that is 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 3. So this is expanded form. So 617 923 equal to 6 lakh plus 110,000 plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 210 plus 3 ones. Now write the short form. Write the short form. 5 lakh 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 total 6 digit plus 60,000 plus 900 9,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 9. So this will be written as first digit, the digit can be written directly 5, then 6, then 9, 4, 5, 9. So this is short form. So from the expanded form, you are writing the short form. 5,69,459 is the answer. Now comparison. Okay, comparison means greater than, less than or equal to. So greater than, less than or equal to. So you can remember this one easily. That is, the width of the thing will be open towards the greatest number. So that is normally called as how this can be written or remembered easily. This opening, that is, this should be pointing towards the greatest number. Okay, greater means greatest number. So suppose, okay, example is there. So you have the first number 111111. That is 1,11,111. Then you have 11112. So this is smaller and this is larger. Okay. So 11111 is less than 111112. That is 1,11,112. So the opening point will be always pointing towards the greatest number. So that is how you can remember the symbol. Okay. So next question. 5,23,235. Then here 4,65,000. So by looking itself, you know that here 5 is there, here 4 only. So this is the greatest number. So this number is greater than that number. If both numbers are equal, that is called as equal sign. 5,65,432. Here also 5,65,432. Then you have in between equal symbol is there. Ascending and descending order. Okay, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means the smallest number should be written first. Descending means the largest number should be written first. Okay, that is the simplest way to remember this one. A means, that is in alphabet, A is the first number. So, ascending means the smallest number first. So, we have first question. 4,35,432, 5,65,232, then 2,65,206, 8,35,278, 3,99,999, 3,99,999. 5 numbers are given. So ascending order means from here look the first digit itself, which is the smallest first digit. So you have 2 is here. So that should be the first number. 2,65,206. So this is written. Then the next you look into the next term. 4 is there, 5 is there, 8 is there, 3 is there. So when comparing these 4, 3 is the smallest one. So the next number should be 3. 3,99,999. 3,99,999. Comma. Then the next smallest is 3. 4 is there, 5 is there, 8 is there. 4 is the smallest one. 4,35,432, comma. Then 5,65,232. Last number is this one. 8,35,278. Okay. So simplest method to write in ascending order is there. Look the first digit first. Okay, that is which is the smallest digit, that should be written first. If all are having the same digit itself or same number itself, then look into the second digit, then third digit. Like that it should be, you can remember like that. Okay. So with this, the first section is over. So ascending order and descending order. Okay. Thanks.